pony down here.
There's a pony standing right in front of the shelter.
You sure it's not a horse? Or a dog?
That's a weird looking dog.
It's Dogman!
I'm not going to think about it.
Why are you not going to think about Dogman or Bigfoot?
It's simply not my calling.
You don't give a shit about people listening to you? Our leisure morning is coming to an end. What say you, Green Man?
It's time to roll.
500 miles. 500 miles.
We did it.
All right, another 3 of those. Some change. I feel like this mist is appropriate for this landscape. It's very Scottish Highlands, which actually are part of the Appalachian mountain range. All right, hit the famous fat man squeeze. Let's see if I can fit. All squeeze. Q, 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 very Q, super Q. Pretty nice day. We all thought it was gonna be miserable. Still could be, but pretty good right now. This focus, man. Real high garbage. It's getting a little spooky out here with this weather.
Look at him.
Ponytown.
How about that? Check it out. Seabiscuit, it's your brethren.
Bunny, Mama.
Yum, 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 yum.
Grayson Allen's cool as hell.
Yeah,
Oh, thank you much.
Yay! Thank you. This looks amazing.
Oh my goodness, this is
Wow.
I got a chili dog too.
Yeah, you son of a bitch. If you know anything about me, you know how excited I am right now. Oh, yeah. Fat boy stoner loves coffee. Mouth, bitch.
Okay.
Now tell me how good it is.
It rubs the lotion on its skin or else it gets the hose again.
Ooh, it's all gooey.
It's all gooey. It's great.
Great fucking utensil form.
I learned.
We're in the Grayson Highlands
General store.
general store and inn. Thank you, because I'm dumb. Best stop in my opinion so far.
Very, very good vibes at this little place. Yeah.
Great burgers, Black Angus, whatever that means, good. And then like the blueberry crumble, fucking so good.
I had the marble cheesecake. Terrific.
We're happy boys.
Craft sodas.
Happy fat boys. Yeah, cream soda. So that went about as perfect as possible. Thank you.
People passed us and then turned around to come and pick us up. That was fantastic.
We had to wait for maybe like 10-15 minutes before we actually started hitching, and that was like true for going both ways. So yeah, we got all burgered up and fooded up and charged up with like very minimal time penalty. So yeah, super job, guys. Super duper. So does that sound like a challenge? Like they don't like to be ridden, but like if you're a real cowboy, you probably do it.
Violators subject to fine.
Oh shit. All right. So this is a shooting location. We hiked up from the Massey Gap Trail and shot like this 2 or 3 mile section, and then hiked back down the other trail just beyond the way. But yeah, it's nice and moody, just like it was the day we filmed. I feel like this is the close-up rock for the step off. There's a rock we climbed up for that epic moment. Oh yeah. So it stopped raining kind of around the same time that we finished that Aaron, Paul, Rooney, Mara, Josh Hartnett episode of Black Mirror. Wow. Aaron Paul just giving it absolutely everything he doesn't have. Bazinga. Supposed to be quite the view up here, apparently. But I like this view. It's all like Seattle, but like I find it, water is the essence of beauty or moisture. Zoolander, I can't take right turns.
Yeah, right. Derek.
We don't really know. We'll probably leave pretty early tomorrow. We got about 24 miles tomorrow to the partnership shelter. So.
That's basically our whole trip right there.
Oh, well, there you go.
What do you mean?
I'm not an ambi-turner.
It's a problem I had since I was a baby.
I can't turn left.